She put vinegar in one of her garden plants. What happened in 1 minute is incredible. Vinegar is one of the most versatile products we can have in our kitchen. Apart from its use for seasoning foods, this product serves many more things. One of those uses is to keep our garden spotless. Unlike commercial fertilizers, vinegar does not harm the environment. That's why we'll show you how to make the most of it in your garden. In the cultivation of azaleas or growing on acidic soil, these flowers grow healthy in a soil with a slightly high pH. In other words, they are plants that prefer an acid soil to grow. That is why, when watering these flowers with a mixture of 1/4 of water with 2 tablespoons of vinegar, we promote its growth. It increases the level of acidity of the earth. Apart from the azaleas, the gardenias are also plants that favor an acid soil. That is why, by mixing a cup of vinegar with 1 gallon of water, and watering them, we promote their growth. Like these 2 plants, there are many others that also prefer an acid soil. In addition, the vinegar contributes large quantities of iron, mineral necessary for some flat. Neutralize lime and its effects. After transporting a pot, we are likely to join hands with a bit of lime. This can make the skin look rough and discard, damaging our aesthetics. To neutralize this chemical along with its effects, we can rinse our hands with a little vinegar. This will prevent lime from damaging our skin. Natural herbicides. Being a natural product, it does not cause damage to the environment like traditional herbicides. By simply sprinkling vinegar directly on unwanted herbs, we can eliminate them. If we mix it with a little salt, we can enhance its effects. This will cause unwanted herbs not to reappear for a long time.